This is page 1 of circles, chords, inscribed angles, and polygon notes. So the first part is going to talk about inscribed angles. An inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on the circle. It has an intercepted arc. So an intercepted arc is if you extend the chord beyond the circle, and that arc that's between the two sides of the angle is called the intercepted arc. And the inscribed angle and the intercepted arc, their relationship is 1/2. So if our arc is 50, then our inscribed angle, DEF, is 1/2 of 50, which is 25. In comparing that to a central angle, and let me, I'm going to draw a central angle to the same circle. Central angle has its vertex at the center, and then if I use the same 2 points, D and F, that's a central angle, and its measure is the same as the intercepted arc. Okay, to find the intercepted arc from an inscribed angle. So let's say the inscribed angle is 40. Then our intercepted arc would be 2 times 40, which is 80. Okay, so some examples. And I always like to work from the things that are given and then answer the questions. So no different than when we were in class. So it says arc KL is 80. Arc LM is 100. And MN is 60. I can find KN by taking 360 minus 60 plus 100 plus 80, minus that sum. And that sum is 240. So that makes our KN 120. And now let's start finding some of our angles. So I'm going to highlight this one. It's an inscribed angle. So angle 6 is 1/2 of 60, which is 30. Let's do this one. Angle MLN, which is angle 3, is 1/2 of 60, which is 30. Let's do angle 1. Its intercepted arc is 100, and 1/2 of 100 is 50. Let's do angle 2. Angle 2 has the intercepted arc of 120, so it is 1/2 of that, which is 60. Let's do these down here. Angle 5, intercepted arc is 80, so it's 40. And KM, intercepted arc is 80, so its inscribed angle is 40. Now we can answer the questions. So an intercepted arc for KNL here's our angle. So the intercepted arc would be KL. Inscribed angle for arc LM. Here's arc LM. And what you do is you just go from the points into the vertex, and the angle would be angle LKM. Angle 1. Angle 1 we said was 1/2 of 100, which is 50. Angle 2 is 1/2 of 120, which equals 60. Angle 3 we said was 1/2 of 60, which is 30. Angle 4, 1/2 of 80, which is 40. Angle 5 is 1/2 of 80, which is 40. And angle 6 was 1/2 of 60, which is 30. So again, remember the relationship between the inscribed angle and the arc. The inscribed angle is 1/2 the arc, or the arc is 2 times the inscribed angle.